If your protein pancakes always come out dry and rubbery, it's not your protein powder that's the problem. The fix is one ingredient you probably already have in your kitchen, and once you try it, you'll never go back to bananas. Let's get into the recipe. Start with a large bowl to mix all of your dry ingredients in. Add 1 cup of oat flour. You can easily make this at home by blending rolled oats in a blender or food processor. Add 1/3 a cup of protein powder. I'm using a vanilla whey protein powder here. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of your preferred sweetener. I'm using stevia today. Add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Add 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. And finally, add a pinch of salt. Mix all of your dry ingredients together until they're fully combined. Take out another bowl for the wet ingredients now. Crack open and add 2 large eggs, then whisk them together. Add 1/4 a cup of unsweetened vanilla almond milk. Add 2 tablespoons of melted butter or neutral oil. I'm going with coconut oil here. And now the solution for fixing dry protein pancakes. 1/2 a cup of unsweetened applesauce. This adds moisture and helps bind the pancakes together without needing a banana. With just 1/2 a cup, you likely won't taste the applesauce either. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix your wet ingredients together until they're fully combined. Grab back your bowl of dry ingredients and then slowly add your wet mixture into the dry mixture. Then fold everything together. Don't overmix it. Set the batter aside and then let it rest for 30 minutes at room temperature, or wrap it in plastic wrap and place it in the fridge. Heat a non-stick pan or griddle on medium-low heat and spray it with non-stick cooking spray. Add about 1/4 to 3/8 a cup of your batter onto the skillet and then cover it with a lid. Cook until bubbles form on the surface of the pancake, which should take about 4 to 5 minutes on medium-low heat. After about 4 to 5 minutes, flip it over and then let it cook for an additional minute or 2. Once the pancake is done, remove it from the skillet and then repeat the process until you're out of your batter. I was able to make 3 pancakes with this recipe. Once you're done cooking your pancakes, you can add the toppings of your choice. I'm going with some fresh fruit and some maple syrup for mine today. Then you're set to enjoy your protein pancakes. Using applesauce is one of my favorite ways to make protein pancakes now. So if you're tired of the same banana flavor in your protein pancakes, give this recipe a try and let me know how it turns out. If you like this video, be sure to check out my other high protein breakfast recipes. And if you found this recipe helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more healthy recipes every week.